Okay, to give you a little bit of an idea here of what I've done in the drawing, I've changed this. This was set as a 0.4 deep, so I've changed that to 0.3. Hopefully you can see the mouse. This section here, and I've set the tool path up. I've set the settings and the depths in the tool to be 0.3 this time. So let's just run it so you see what we should be doing. I've speeded this up quite a bit, but this gives you an electronic simulation of what it should be doing. I've set the machine up ready, so the tool bit is exactly where it should be for the start. So now I'm just going to post this tool path, and it's number 4 cut, so I'm going to name it number 4. So that's my mod gone again. Number 4, battery side. Idea is I'm naming these, so if I get it right I can then just use these again and again. And I put the cutter bit that was also used, so that's a 3mm bull nose, and then post. So this says it's successful. I then go into the control software and open the G-code that's been created, and then it produces a graphic of what it should be doing. I can see from my machine, if I move my machine around a bit, you can see that you can sort of, if I bring it down a bit as well, so you can sort of check here, that's where it should start, and if I move it across, that's about where it should end, and this is the representation on the screen of what it should be doing, which looks about right. So I saw Mr. Moxon put on check, remeasure and check again 6 times, then cut. So it's right. So I've checked it several times. I'm happy. So I'm going to turn the motor on. Let's see what happens. Sorry if this is a bit waffly, but there we go. So I'm going to press start. I always put my finger ready on the abort button. There we go, that looks better, doesn't it? Not as deep. This one's running a little faster. I've set this one for 400, so it's actually twice as fast. However, I've made it twice as fine, so the overlap on the tool path is twice as fine. This apparently is going to take 4 minutes just to do this little start. But whilst I'm doing this, these mods, I want to fine tune to get a good finish, because I don't want to be getting in there with sandpaper which I will do eventually. Let's get one thing done first. So we're done. So let's turn the motor off. So that was 3 minutes it took. I think it took 3 minutes. Let's lift that out of the way. Take it right out of the way. Okay. I can actually take that out and we'll have a good look, shall we? So these are the bolts that just clamp this. A couple of big bolts. Actually, I thought they were big enough, but they only just reach the nuts on the other side. But that should be just enough to free it. There we go. So we can have a better look at it now. And the machining on that's pretty good now. There was the other one that's slightly coarser, so you can see the lines just going up and down, parallel lines going up and down. This one I was just trying to get it a bit closer, so you can very, very slightly see them, but it is a nice let's check the depth of it, because I'm hoping it should be 0.3. No, it's still 0.6. What the bloody hell's going on? Okay, so a little bit like using a radius or circumference, isn't it? Radius. If you use a radius, it's half. So I wonder if it's doubling up somewhere. Perhaps I should do 0.15. I think the next cuts, I mean, it's good, feels good in the hand. It's not deep. It is an accent in there. Doesn't actually feel too bad. I think we'll go with that on this mod, and then I might try the next one just going, I might take it to 0.15, and then hopefully that will give me the 0.3 that I was aiming for originally. It's not deep though. Anyway, am I going to do the other bit tonight? I might actually leave the 5:10 recess tonight. Oh, sod it, I'll do it. Right, let me get that set up.